Hey guys! So today's video is me making this blank notes pages in my Hobonichi Weeks Mega in Strawberry Latte into a monthly page. Yes, that's right. So if you have not watched any of the my videos prior to this, I'm actually using the notes pages of my Hobonichi Mega as a second weeks in a mega weeks. So I feel like that is super fun, and I cannot wait for the rest of the year to see if that would really work for me. So this is my shop planner, and I'm gonna be using the Hobonichi Weeks monthly pages kit in January Romantic. This is what it looks like. Okay, and let's see what happens in this plan with me. Alright then, so let me just go ahead and show you the kit that we will be using. So up close, this is the bar, and these are the day covers, date strips, and boxes. You get 4 individual boxes, and then a longer box that covers 3 individual boxes. And then you have your second page, which has your bottom bars, a bunch of bill-dos, scripts, as well as like strips, tiny strips that covers 2 boxes for anything or any event that would require several days. So that's what you can use that for. Today we will also be using this pen. This is the Pigma Micron 02. There we go. And it's just a felt tip pen. You have seen me use this forever and ever because this is one of my favorites. And then we also have my ruler, which doesn't look fancy, but it works, so I love it. Right, so let's check it out. I'm gonna take this big box side strip or side box. I'm gonna put the planner like this so that it's easier for me to put it on here. And I'm just going to align it towards the edge, like up against the last line on the left side of the page. As I think I have mentioned already in another video, this does have a gap between the next box, but that is fine with me. Okay, no, that's done. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my second page and put it down at the bottom. I'm gonna align it with this corner with the number 5, and then I'm gonna do the same for the other side. Okay, so second box and then the strip. There you go. So that is what it looks like. Whoops, what's happening? Okay, sorry, I'm printing inserts because I will be coming out with personal planner kits. So I want inserts for that. So I will be using it. So I'm gonna take my day covers and put it up top. I'm gonna leave that little space and start on that darker line. Let me show you. There you go. And then for the other side, I'm gonna align it with the corner here. And I'll just cover the entire thing, I believe. There you go. So that's what it looks like. And then we can go ahead and start with the strips and then line it towards the end. So this is going to take a while, as it would if this was a monthly page anyways. So I think there's a trick to that. I'm going to take this box. Okay. Gonna put it here. right? Hang on. Yes. And then this is where the next strip would be. And then just count the boxes. This is so crooked. I am sorry. Okay, so it is, actually I can see it here, but I'm gonna count anyways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right there. All right. Okay, then another 7. Count. And then the last one. The next page, I mean the page across. Okay. Look, it's a monthly page in a notes page. Okay, I'm gonna take this longer strip, put it up here. There we go. All right, and then I'm gonna do, before I do the rest of the boxes and the rest of this, let's take our ruler and our pen. And we're done. Ta-da! Did I miss something? I don't think it's 6 boxes. It is. Oh no, it's only 5. That's why they're not aligned. Oh well, don't matter. Just word of warning, I think I did this wrong. It should have been, the line should have been here. So the boxes closer. Focus. Okay, so here it's 6 boxes. 6 boxes, 9. No, it's supposed to be only 5 boxes. That's why they're not aligned. I think that's what I did here. I did better here than I did the last time. See, it's only 5 boxes. So when I say 5 boxes of the grid. So this is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are incorrect. Because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If that makes sense. Just line it according to where the numbers are. I think that's better. I could have done that, but I didn't. But that's alright. Because it's my book. But I'm just saying that if you would be doing it the same as me, you will not be getting maximum happiness. But still happy. Still quite happy. So I have a bill due there. I'm just going to put some paydays. Sometimes I sing when I plan. Yes, I do. It's not very good singing, but I'm not singing for anyone but myself, so great. Do you do that? Do you do that too? Okay, so this is deadline for all of this because this is when new releases will be up, and then I have a box. Yeah, there. And that box goes here. Ooh, it's not even... What did I do last time? I didn't do it last time. Okay, this might be too high. Warning. It's too high here. But don't matter. Because there's really no... Okay, I didn't know this, but this bottom box for here is way too big. Last time in December, I didn't have to deal with that because there was no boxes going here. So that is how it goes, but it doesn't matter, once again, because there's really no dates here. So, Okay. Or you can put this down and then put the strip on top, which is something also you could do if you were gonna do similar layout in your own planner, if you would like. So I have a few boxes here. I'm just gonna put one on the 16th. See, it fits. I'm not gonna put down birthdays because this is a planner for my shop. I don't think I need any of these still. Yeah, so that, I guess that's it, except for happy day. Happy day. Alright, and there we have it. Now, word of warning also, this might be too big for the 5. I'll show you. It might be too big, but it don't matter. Yeah, it is giant. So, okay, let me change that, or rather edit myself here. It's not 5, it is 6. That was correct on account of this being too big for a 5. What you can do is you can also cut it, which I'll probably do next time I do it. But for everything else, we are good to go. How did this fit? Weird. Okay, so that is what you need to do. This will not fit in a box that only has 5 of the grids. But if it fits 6 of the grids, it will fit perfect, just like this one. So here it's a little too giant. Right, sorry, this is my second time to do it, and at least now you know my thought process on how I do this, but I just wanted to show you it. If you weren't going to use any of the boxes, then, I mean the boxes within the spread, then it is fine. I mean, if you're just going to use it at the ends here, then I'm pretty sure it'll be fine. But if you are going to be using it in the middle here, then okay. You gotta be careful. You might do a little bit of cutting here and there, but generally it is okay. The length of it is fine. Right, so these are my empties. I'm gonna keep this at the back, similar to what I did with my other leftover stickers from the other geometric, other monthly, which is the geometric, which is what I have here. I used that in my last video if you haven't seen it. This is what I did, and this is what we did today. Ta-da! So in my next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my actual real planner of this planner. So I'm going to plan for the month of the new year, and I will be using geometric. Okay, I'm going to be using this. This is the year ahead kit for this section. These pages. So that's all for us today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Once again, I'm very sorry. I'm very confusing today with the numbers and the boxes and the counting. Right. But hopefully later in life I will be better. So let's stay tuned for that. Make sure to hit the subscribe and hit the notification bell to see if I have uploaded any new videos ever. Also, if you'd like to be updated with all the things that are going on in the shop, my shop is paperjoyph.com, and we are on Instagram as well as Facebook. That's paperjoyph. Also, we have a Facebook group. It is paperjoyph Planning World. So I'll see you in my social media, guys, and in my next video. Bye-bye!